Hey homies, your queen is back with another hot and trending video, and don't worry, I'm not here to bore you with long, yawny intros because your queen knows your time is precious. So, let's talk Ghibli. Yes, those dreamy, magical visuals that are blowing up right now. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create Ghibli-style images and then turn them into Ghibli-style videos, all for free. So stick around, because your AI Whisper Queen took time out of her royal schedule just for you. So, shh. Don't disappoint your queen and watch without skipping. All right, let's dive in. So first of all, head over to ChatGPT. I know, you're probably thinking, ugh, everyone says ChatGPT. But don't worry, your queen's got more in store. And yes, I'm not using ChatGPT Pro. This is the free version, so don't stress. Now here's the thing. If you directly ask ChatGPT to turn your image into Ghibli style, it'll say, sorry, this goes against our community guidelines. And it'll try to convince you to upgrade. But guess what? There's a little trick. Instead of directly asking it, just type, "Can you turn my image into Ghibli style?" That's it. It'll reply, "Sure. Please upload the image you'd like me to transform." Then upload your image. And boom, your Ghibli-style image is ready. And look how beautiful it turns out. Just download it, no pro account needed. Yep, I'm still on the free version. Your queen keeps it real. Now, sometimes ChatGPT gets super slow, thanks to all the people overloading it. So here's plan B. Visit Grok.com. Links in the description. Same steps. Upload your image, ask it to turn it into Ghibli style, and ta-da! It gives you 2 dreamy Ghibli-style images, and trust me, they look amazing. Bonus? Grok is way faster than ChatGPT, and yup, totally free. So nope, we're not paying a single rupee for Ghibli images, all right? Your queen said what she said? But wait, that was the basic part. Now let's level it up and turn these images into full-on videos. Go to Runway ML. Again, link in the description. Sign up with your Google account and click on Video Generation. You'll get 125 free credits per month. And when those run out, just make a new account. Use the free version again and again. No spending. Your queen refuses to let you waste money. Upload your Ghibli-style image. Describe the kind of video you want, type a simple prompt, then generate. And boom! Your video is ready. Didn't like the first result? No worries. Just tweak the prompt and regenerate it. Keep playing around until it feels perfect. Now here's a secret weapon. Another free site that gives even better videos.
Now it's getting interesting.
Hailou AI. Link is in the description. Same process. Sign up with Google. Upload your image, give a prompt like smiling, happy, and click generate. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes, but the result? Chef's kiss. Looks even better than Runway. And yes, this site also gives you free credits. When they're gone, make a new account. Easy. Your queen's motto? No cash, just class. So go ahead, try them out. And let me know which one gave you the most magical Ghibli vibes. And that's a wrap, homies. Now you know how to create those dreamy Ghibli-style videos. And that too, without spending a single rupee. Your queen kept it free, easy, and fabulous. As always. So, I know your queen is on her new journey on YouTube, right? Blow her a kiss and hit that subscribe button. Your support means everything to her.
Show me support!
Drop a little crown or heart emoji in the comments if you're joining the royal fam. And don't forget to like and share if you found this helpful, which I know you did. Your AI Whisper Queen is signing off, but don't worry, more magic is on the way real soon. Until then, stay royal.